So what this search will do it will take you to the nature review materials. You click on the nature review materials. As you see, this has the H index of 131. Right? It is the best journal or journal having the highest impact factor in the category energy. Okay. Now, if you go into this, the various parameters are shown. Q1 and all this thing. You can have an extensive uh, quality metrics given here. So these are the SGR impact factor for the last 5 years. Total documents published the last 5 years. Total sites with respect to self sites for the journal. Citation per document, or which is the impact factor for the 4 year, 3 year, and 2 years, and many other indicators there it will show. Now you do not require so many indicators. What you require is you go to the journal ranking, and then what you do, you select energy as the subject area. As you can see, based on the SJR, which is another impact factor, Nature Review Material is the best journal among the energy category. So total docs, now that this calculator will ask you to enter total the total number of manuscripts published in only 2021 as per SCI Mega. So it is 133. If you can see, you will see it in here. The total docs published 3 years, or total docs published 2021. This one, 133. Correct? Okay. So 133. The total docs published in 2021. You enter it into this field. Next, it will ask you total number of citations received by the journal, this Nature Review Materials journal, in the year of 2021 as per Shimago journal rank. So go to the journal ranking and you will find the total number of sites where it is for the 2021. So for this you will not get it in this table. So what you will do is you go to the Shimago journal rank page, and there what they want is total number of citations received. So total sites 10,691. 10,691. Total sites is 10,691. So write it here, 10,691. Now total number of published manuscript published in the last 3 years, 2018 to 20, as per Shimago journal rank. If we again move back to that table, which can be found after clicking on journal rank, you will see total docs published in the last 3 years is written as 259. 259. And total size for the last 3 years also is 10,691. 10,691. So write these two values, 259, 10,691. Now say the category of the journal, and yes, this is the best journal. Total number of citations received by the journal, same 10,691, because this is the total number of citations received by the journal, which is the best journal in the category of energy. And the subcategory, material science, where you can find the subcategory, click on the journal name, and here you see this is the category or subject area, and these are all, this is the subcategory. So they are saying it as subject area and category, but for the journal score, relative journal score, this is the category, subject area, and category is the subcategory. Okay. So here also the same citation value will come, 10,691. These are some keywords for the journal. Now see, when you write all the, you provide all this information, that means only 1, 2, 3, 4. core information is there. You provide it and you click the update button, or it will automatically calculate the journal score, which is 40.985, and it will also give you the best journal for comparing. Now it is energy in style, so it will give you the best journal of the energy category only. So it is 40.985. This is 40.985, this is 40.985, right? As it is the best journal. And now you see what happens is, if you think that you want to recommend this journal, Nature Reviews Material, which is a very reputable journal, you can recommend it. How you can recommend it? You just enter your name, enter your email, enter your designation, and say whether you are editor, owner, or editorial member, or reviewer of the journal. If you are, you write select yes. If you are not, no. Terms and condition, here the terms and condition given, they are all common terms and condition. Click it yes and click on the submit button, this one. So what will happen is, once you submit it, they will review, Energy and Style will review your recommendation, and if they think that yes, it is a very recommendable journal, it can be included in their database, they will include the journal in their database, EIS database of journals. And just like we recommend journal for Scopus indexing or SCI indexing, this EIS is also planning to introduce their own indexing service. Now the thing is that, suppose this is the best journal that you have, the score you have calculated. Now let us see, let us find out some unknown journal from the subject area energy. So click on the energy subject area. These are all the journals from the energy subject area. So go below, suppose renewable energy. Okay, it is also a very popular and very reputable journal. It has a impact factor of 8.65. It is published from England. But let us compare it with the Nature Review Material, the best journal of energy category. So what we'll do is, so first we'll write the name of renewable energy here. Where it is. This is the 50th journal as per SJR rank, Shimago journal rank. But this Shimago journal rank also do not consider relativity. Okay. So if I select, just you see, if I select all subject areas, then you will find that, let us select it, all subject area, and then if you go for renewable energy, you will not find it in the top 50 journals. So look at the differences. All the top 50 journal is from life science or biological science or science related journal, corporate, political science. All these are there, but there is no energy journal in the top 50. So it doesn't mean that energy category or energy subject area is a very poor subject area. It does not mean that. It is a very popular and very contemporary subject area, because we are all looking for renewable energy nowadays. So if you do not research in renewable energy, you do not know the latest current affairs. So being a very significant subject area also, and renewable energy is one of the best journal of renewable energy. Then also you see, it has not got the rank within the top 50 journal. When we remove the filter for specific subject area and try to find the rank of the renewable energy uh, for all the journal or within all the journal of the world, there it is not coming into the top 50 journals. So this is not a very correct representation of that journal. So what we will do, so what we'll do is, to avoid this problem, we will use this relative journal score. So let us go for that renewable energy journal. Where it is top 50 journal. Yeah, this is a renewable journal. So first Metrics, what they want is total number of manuscripts published in the latest year, that is 2021. Latest means this is 2022, but journal considered 2021-22 as the latest year. 22-23 is the next year coming. So, what is the total number of journal published in 2021? It is 210. Sorry, this is total logs. So, total logs means total document published in 2021. So, is it so? Yeah. Total logs published in the now you see that here 1803 docs were published. Compared to that, for the best journal, you see there are only 133 docs published. So it is due to their very strict review process of the best journal, that is our what Nature reviews materials. But it is from the material science department. It is a journal from the material science, and this is a journal from the engineering field. So 1803 is the total number of docs published by renewable energy. So first of all, we will write the name of the journal, renewable energy. So this is the journal published by the energy. It is a journal published by the Elsevier, right? They say it as Elsevier. So the total doc is in the year 2021, 1803, right? Now let us go for the total number of sites in the year 2021. So as I have demonstrated earlier, you have to click on the journal name, and from the graph you will receive the total number of sites. What is it? It is 44823. 44823. So you can imagine how many sites it has received. 44823. 44823. So this is all as per ACI major Shimago journal rank. Okay. The total number of events we published in the last 3 years. So let us again move back to the journal ranking page, and where is the total? Yeah, total number of docs published in the last 3 years. So it is 5081. So write it here. And total number of citations received in the last 3 years. This can be also retrieved from this table of journal ranking, total sites, this one, right? So total sites for renewable energy is 44823. So write it down, 44823. Okay, so 44823 is the total number of sites in 3 years. Now category of the journal energy. So the best journal is Nature Review Material. Now this is the interesting part. Total number of citations received by the best journal. Okay, not by your journal, but by the best journal. We have already retrieved it as 10691. Subcategory material science. This journal of the subcategory is of course Nature Review Materials. And this is also 10691. This renewable energy. This is a subcategory of the renewable energy channel. So let us click on the page to find out the subcategory, or here it is category. So they are showing no category here. So let us assume that this is also from the subcategory. This renewable energy, sustainability, and the environment. Okay, so by clicking on them, what I found is that the best journal under the subcategory of renewable energy is Nature Energy. This is also from Nature Group, and it has received total number of citations received by the journal. Okay, total number of citations received by the journal. So let us see what the total number of citations received by the journal, and these are all for the latest year. Okay, these are the latest. So in the Last year, total number of citation received. So just click on the journal name and you find the total number of journals. So you go over there in the graph, total size, it is 17706. 17,706. Okay. Correct. And then you give three keywords to describe the journal renewable energy. Okay, and here as we have seen, the subcategory is not material science. Subcategory is interesting. Subcategory is this one. Subcategory and category of the journal that very well. So the subcategory is this one, and the best journal among the subcategory of your journal is Nature. So don't confuse, right? This will be the Nature energy, correct? So Nature Energy, so total number of citation received in the year of 2021 by Nature Energy is also given. So I have to give some keywords of our journal, of the journal you are evaluating. The journal you are evaluating is renewable energy. So let us give some keywords. So from where you can get the keywords. Why this keyword is required is when you are recommending this journal or the EIS index, they will arrange it by the keyword such that it can easily be searched. So let us go to their home page and then let us see what is the scope of the journal. Correct? Search. So what is the scope of the journal? Aims and scope of the journal. This is important. So as I found that the aims and scope of the journal is this is the research area, biomass conversion. This is for recommending the journal. If you do not want to recommend the journal you are evaluating, then you can ignore this step. So this is you can photovoltaic technology conversion. And then you can go for solar thermal applications. These are the top three categories. There are many other categories, so you can use the top three as keyword as keyword, right? So here you see before even updating clicking on the update button, the journal score has calculated the score of the renewable energy journal as 11.342 compared to the Nature Review journal, that is the material science journal, the best journal of 2021 under the category of energy. It is 40.95. Now you can understand how good or bad is your journal. So it is 11.342, and for your energy science the journal is, for the category energy the best journal is your that Nature Reviews materials, which have a 40.95. So what it is indicating is that renewable energy is also a very good journal, and but it is not as good as Nature Review material. So renewable energy falls into the 30% of the from the best journal of the category energy. Even in, you see, it has a number of citations received 44823, which is much more compared to the citation received by the that nature review material, right? Then also, total number of citations received in 2021, that nature review material has received 10,691, and this renewable energy has received 44823, this number of citations. So if I compare the citation only, and if I rank the journals based on the citation, then what will happen is that this journal will be placed higher compared to that of nature review materials on nature energy, which has also have a lesser citation compared to that our renewable energy. Renewable energy has received 44823, and nature review material 10,691. Nature energy is a 17,706. So you can see that if I rank the journals based on the citation, then renewable energy better compared to the nature review materials or nature energy. But if I use this RJS relative journal score, then it is clearly selecting nature review materials as the best journal compared to 11.342 that is received by the renewable energy journal. Now 11.342 comes into the last 30% of the category of journals. So you can understand that, or you can say that you can say that nearly 3 times more important journal or more better journal is nature review material is more than 3 times better journal compared to renewable energy. Correct? Now this is what happens if I only consider citation, then there will be erroneous judgment will do. But if I consider the relative citation, which this relative journal score has considered, the basic formula of the relative journal score is very easy. What it does, it compares or it divides the total number of citations received by a journal by the total number of citations received by the best journal of that category. Once it does that, and also it considers the subcategory thing, it divides the total number of citations received by the journal you are evaluating by the base journal of the subcategory, and for the base journal of the category and base journal of the subcategory, both these ratio have two different weightage. Maximum weightage was given to the base journal citation or the base journal ratio, and next weightage is given to the base journal of the subcategory. And not only this, it also considers the citation, relative citation of the year 2021, and also the relative citation of the last 3 years. And there also specific weightage is given to both of these two parameters, and then they find a weighted index with the help of these 4 parameters: ratio of citation of the journal you are evaluating and base journal of the category, ratio of citation of the journal you are evaluating and the base journal of the subcategory, citation of the ratio of citation of the latest year and the ratio of citation of the last 3 years. But the citation of the latest year divided by citation of the last 3 years. So this, I am sorry, it is not 4 but 3 metrics that is used, and this 3 metrics has 3 different weightages which are used to calculate a weighted average of these ratios to find the relative journal score. But what it does is, it removes the errors which gets incorporated when you consider only the citation received by a journal. Here you see, as if you rank the journal according to the citation received, you will find that renewable energy has received much more citation than nature review materials. But if you use the relative citation, then you can find that This renewable energy is not a very good journal compared to nature materials. So whenever you introduce this relative term in journal evaluation process, you can get a better evaluation idea, or you can make a better decision than the, the decision you will make by comparing the citations of the journal. So that's all for today. So you may also test this index or test this journal score RJS by visiting to energyinstyle.website. Correct. So this journal score was recently launched by this website. Thank you and see you in next.